Hello, good evening. This is Friday day, okay? I'm here to talk about FBS affiliate program, okay? Some people still don't understand how this work, and they still believe they have to trade or refer many people to the platform before they can be able to make money with their program. No, even with two or three people, you can make up to $5, 10, $5 to $10 daily, okay, with one to two people, okay, depending on the instrument they are trading with, okay. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you how I made money, how I used to make money with FBS, okay, and how you too can make a minimum $10 to $20 with FBS affiliate program, okay. So let me quickly log into my account. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Now this is my account. Let me go to finance. All right. So if you click on finances, you see this particular dashboard. So scroll down. Let me show you my transaction history. So if you click on transaction history here, you will see that you can see my daily earning with FBS. Okay, you can see like today 11th of October, something drop, at least close to $1 drop. All right, you can see 10th of October, which is I think which is Tuesday, yeah, for August of October, close to $2 drop, okay. And you can see 8th of October, which is Sunday, yes, Sunday, yeah, Sunday, nothing support drop, at least something drop, okay. And you can see 7th, which is on Friday, I think, more than $2 drops, okay. That is how money drop. You can see here 4th of sorry, 4th of October, close to $6 drop into my account, close to $6 drop on 4th of October. All right, then on the 3rd of October, close to $8 drop. All right, I think this is satisfying, okay. It is not bad, and I'm not even doing this every day. I don't even used to like committed to it as people always do. I don't do that because I have other thing I'm doing, understand. Okay, I have only um 4 to 5 people that are um that I refer, okay. And then yeah, and this happening every day, okay. What if you have more than 10 people, okay. Let's say, what if you have 10 people that are trading and that you refer to them, okay, and that are trading, you see you make more money. All right, so you can see this place. I withdraw $52, okay. That was on 22nd of October, okay. That was 22nd of October. Okay, you can see, all right. And currently I'm having 35.65 dollars inside. Okay, to show you that I don't really work with this thing, let me show you my let me go to my partner area and see. Okay, so all right, you can see, okay, +1 up here. I already have 4 or 5 people a client that was active. Okay, but now I'm seeing +1 again. I did not refer anybody. I don't know. Maybe the advert I did before, the link I dropped somewhere before, someone might click on it and want to trade with FBS. Okay, or someone may open account with the link before and now you want to trade, so you just start using the account, and when you start using it, we have been making profits here. Okay, and then so far in this October I made let's say $20. Okay, $20, just like that. I haven't been doing anything. Okay, all right. And then what if I want to withdraw this money now? Just I'll have to just click on finances and click on withdraw. Okay, click on withdrawal. Okay, and I choose local bank of Nigeria or USDT or Bitcoin. Okay, perfect money. All right, so that is how you withdraw your profits. Okay, your commission. So ABS affiliate program is one of the best affiliate I can tell you. Okay, and I can confirm it. All right. So so how do you make money and how do you start? Okay, and you don't have to worry about um, trading. Yes, because here you don't trade. Okay, no VPS, no trading. Okay, and just uh, have like 2 or 3 active traders. Okay, and how to get them, don't worry. After you purchase the course, you know that you contact people that are already trading people and you ask them, okay, to do what I will teach you in the ebook, and that is all. When they trade, you make money. As long as they are trading, you make money. All right. And uh, depending on the instrument they are trading, you can make up to $10 to $20 daily. You understand? All right. And to get this to get started, you have to register with FBS first. Register as a partner. Okay, and then continue, or register as a trader, then continue. All right. So I don't want you to be I don't want you to waste your money or go through many difficulties before you can be able to make this to make it with FBS affiliate program. So I created a very good and affordable course for you. Okay, this course will take you hand to hand, and I will also be there for you. You will not just purchase this course and finish. No, you purchase the course. I will teach you how to open the account. Everything is explained in the course, video, everything, and how to promote your link and how to start making money immediately after you create an account with ABS. All right. So you don't have to wait. Just contact me to get the course, or go straight to the website and get the course to get started. All right. Thank you for watching. This is Friday Day.